Are you worried about the future of your retirement savings? You've worked hard for decades to build your nest egg, but with inflation, economic uncertainty, and volatile markets, securing that nest egg for the long haul has never been more challenging. Just this month, inflation hit 6.5%, and market volatility shows no signs of slowing down. Retirees are facing a financial storm, and many are asking themselves, is my retirement safe? Meet Linda from Florida. At 62, Linda had worked her whole life in healthcare, saving diligently for retirement. But with her $480,000 in a traditional IRA, she knew her savings were vulnerable to the constant swings in the stock market. When her friend told her about gold IRAs, she decided to learn more, and just a few months later, Linda rolled over part of her retirement savings into a gold IRA. Here's what Linda found. The value of her gold investments has held steady while the stock market continues to fluctuate. Unlike stocks or bonds, gold tends to thrive in times of uncertainty. For Linda, it wasn't just about making more money. It was about protecting her hard-earned savings from market crashes and inflation. And now she sleeps easier knowing her retirement is backed by a secure, tangible asset. Now, why is a gold IRA such a smart move for asset protection? Well, gold is a proven hedge against inflation, and its value tends to rise when the dollar weakens or when global markets become unstable. And while your typical IRA is tied to stocks or bonds that can lose value in a downturn, gold's physical nature gives it an edge that paper investments just don't have. Just look at what's happening right now. The Federal Reserve just raised interest rates again to try and fight inflation. And even former President Donald Trump has said that these economic moves are causing serious harm to people's savings. The market is volatile, but with a gold IRA, you can insulate your portfolio from these risks. It's not just about protecting what you've earned, it's about protecting your family's future. By rolling over some of your retirement funds into gold, you're not just creating a safer retirement for yourself, you're building a legacy. It's a long-term solution that can help secure your wealth for generations to come. But how do you get started? It's simpler than you might think. And here's the best part. There's no pressure, no gimmicks, and no sales tactics. You can get a free, no obligation consultation with one of our experts who will walk you through how a gold IRA can fit into your retirement plan. No high pressure sales, no gimmicks like free silver, just honest one-on-one education. If you're a retiree with $100K or more in your IRA or 401K, you owe it to yourself to explore this option. You've worked your whole life to build your savings. Now it's time to protect them for the future. So don't wait for the next economic downturn to make your move. Click the link below to claim your free gold IRA guide and set up your no obligation consultation. Remember, this isn't about getting rich. It's about keeping what you've worked so hard for. Let us help you make sure your retirement is safe for the next generation. This offer is exclusive and there's no commitment required. Protect your retirement with a gold IRA today.